Yay, you got two-way option.
Yes.
So this is the way you can build your own setting.
Hello folks, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a lot of activities with Legos. Yeah!
Okay, let's get started.
Yeah!
Okay.
First we'll start with the interesting maze. Now we need Lego 4x2s and Lego 2x2s.
Soumi,
Ding.
how to prepare it? Let's go.
We just keep 2x2s like this and keep a 2x2 on one and keep that one on the other.
Yes.
Process
Like this,
continuously.
we can prepare.
Pom maze.
Okay, let's go.
Wow, already been done.
So, is it done, Navyuk?
Yes!
Yes?
Yes!
Okay, let's see. Wow, you did a great job.
Thank you.
So, I will give you now a pom-pom ball and straw to move the ball from start to end. Okay?
Okay.
Let's go. So, this is the start. You should go in this way and you should come out from this way.
From here.
Yes, okay?
Okay.
So, take a straw, take the straw and pom-pom. Yes. Is it funny?
Yeah.
No touching. Yay!
I win!
Yes. It's fun.
Ding, ding, ding. Yes. Move on to our next fun activity. Take, tag, toe.
Yes. So how to do this?
First take a base and leave one single one blocks in such a way that it will look like a tic-tac-toe ball.
Look, saw me now. Yeah. Okay, what else we need other than base?
We'll need 2 players. I'll call my dad to help. We need to make a line to win.
Okay, it's slipping line, standing line, and slanting
Slanting
line.
line.
Yes, yeah. Start.
In. In. In.
Yay! You got two-way option.
Yes.
You win, Daddy Noor.
We can play all these fun activities with your parents, siblings, and more.
And have lots of.
And have lots of fun.
So now let's have another fun activity.
Yes.
Okay, here is the seat and I placed a few numbers on the below table. Can you see? Yeah? So now you have to place the Legos equal to the numbers below.
Yeah.
So in this way you can prepare your own city.
Yeah.
Start doing it. Good job. One, count, 2, 3,
4,
4, 5, 6. Yeah. 9. And the last one? 8. 3. 8. Wow. Do you like this activity?
Yes.
Yes? So this is the way you can build your own city. Yeah? Yeah. Avyuk, now we are gonna try the most interesting activity with Legos. Do you know what it is?
Yes.
It's a domino chain reaction with Lego.
Yay.
So, Avyuk, do you want to know how a domino chain reaction looks like?
Yes.
Then click the Legos at one end.
Okay.
Ooh. Wow, right?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Okay, do it.
Half circle.
Let's start.
Yeah.
Yes. Good job. Now which shape you wanna do, Avyuk?
Big standing line.
Okay. Let's start. Okay. Avyuk, do you know what's the fun part? We can also do lots of mathematical activities by using Legos.
Yay!
So, we'll start with what is this?
Venn diagram.
Venn diagrams. What is Venn diagrams? It's a representation using circles to identify the commonality between the different type of groups. Okay? So, Avyuk, we are gonna add few Legos on both the circles. See?
Yeah.
Here. So, you need to find out what are the common Legos in between two circles, right?
Yeah. This is a 4x2 block. It is the common in both circles. So I'm keeping it here.
Yes. The common should go in the
Middle.
middle. Yeah? Now you understand the concept?
Yes.
Now, Avyuk, let's do another activity, right? Okay? Yeah. So here we shall learn about place value. Yeah?
Yeah.
So we will write a number here and you have to place the block as per their place value. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
You can write any.
Yeah. So you need to count and give. 27.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
5.
6,
Mm-hmm.
7, 8, 9, 10.
10. So 110 is equal to
10.
10. 20. So here you kept 2 tens. 2 tens means
20.
20. And count.
1, 2, 3.
Hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Yes.
5,
5, 6, 7. So in 27 we have 2 tens and how many ones?
7.
7 ones. Good. Avyuk, how about doing addition?
Yes.
So I will write 2 numbers. You have to add them using Legos and write the final answer.
Yes.
Okay? Yeah. Count and add. Yeah, baby?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now.
1, 2,
Yeah, loudly.
3.
3. Now what is the final answer? If you add 5 and 3?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4,
And
5.
5.
Together, make a new number. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So what will be the answer?
8.
8. So when you add 5 and 3, its answer is
8.
8. Good job. So in this way we can do lots of mathematics activity also, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hope you liked today's video. You can try this at home too. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.